Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful tools for self-improvement and personal growth, positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself to create positive change in your life. They're simple yet powerful, and they can help you achieve your goals, boost your self-confidence, and improve your overall well-being. Whether you're trying to lose weight, overcome anxiety, or achieve success in your career, positive affirmations can help you get there. By repeating positive statements to yourself, you can change the way you think and feel, and ultimately change your life. So how do you practice positive affirmations? It's simple. First, choose a few positive statements that resonate with you. For example, I am worthy, I am confident, or I am successful. Then, write them down or repeat them to yourself every day. You can say them out loud or in your head, but it's important to say them with conviction and belief. You can also practice positive affirmations throughout the day. Whenever you feel negative or doubtful, repeat your affirmations to yourself and visualize yourself achieving your goals. Over time, you'll start to see the results of your positive affirmations. You'll feel more confident, more motivated, and more inspired to live your best life. So start practicing positive affirmations today. Choose the statements that resonate with you and repeat them every day. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring videos like this one. Remember, you are worthy, you are confident, and you are destined for greatness. Keep practicing your positive affirmations and keep shining bright.